Now we come to the second most disgusting one. I already know that this one is also terrible. Kinderdelis. I don't, Delice, sorry. Delice or Delice? Ma che cazzo me ne frega? It's disgusting. Okay? Don't hate me. But fuck you. Straight D tier. I know it. It's like the fiesta. I wanna die. Porca madonna. Cannot touch any sweets in the next 5 weeks, I don't know. But cheers. Wait a minute. Okay. To be fair, it does not deserve a D tier. Okay? I was too harsh on it. But C tier is too high, but hear me out. I will put this still on the C tier, but it's the lower C tier. It's not terrible, but a C tier, a lower C tier is fine. Yeah, that's exactly where this belongs. Well, enough. Oh, so much sugar.